Happy Friday 5K. What you need to do is grab your packet and your pencil and your name tag. And you need to open up to Friday. Starts with F. I forgot to staple on here or have Mr. Porter and Mrs. Griggs the green piece of paper that says this is a test. It says fact assessment. You need to do this all by yourself. I am not helping you. Your dad, mom, granny cannot help you. However, I'm going to give you a little bit of a clue. What I want you to do is take your pencil and at the top, I want you to draw an arrow backwards because those are all minus. Down here at the bottom, I want you to draw a line on top of this last row. And then I want you to draw a line going forwards because those are all plus. This is a test. I cannot help you. I forgot to put the green piece of paper on here. Parents, grandparents, please don't help your child with this. Leave whatever they get wrong. You're doing a disservice to your child if you help them because then you and I don't know what they're struggling with and then we can't help them. And so if we're not knowing what your children need help with and we're not helping them, then we're actually hurting your child by not helping them. So please do not tell them what to do. Don't tell them if they have anything wrong. If they look at you and say, 2 minus 2, that's 4, right? Just say, write what you think. Because now you and I both know what we need to work on in my videos and at home. If you help them, you don't know, and I don't know. And then your child doesn't get help, and then your child continues to struggle and doesn't get the learning and the help that they need. So please don't help them. Let them do this alone. So my loves, I want you to do your fact test all by yourself. You can. Use your number line. You should hop. That's how I've been teaching you. Use your number line and hop. Pause me and do it. Good luck. All right, my sweets. What we are going to do now that you are done with your fact test is yesterday we learned about lines of symmetry, which cut a picture right in half, right down the middle, so both sides are exactly the same. All right, what I would like you to do is take out your little whiteboard I gave you, and I want you to draw these 3 shapes on your whiteboard. You cannot make them little because we're going to have to be writing in them. So watch here for a second. You cannot make that triangle that I'm having you draw first really little. I need you to make it kind of big because we're going to need to write in it. Then you're going to draw a circle. This marker's dying. Then you're going to draw a square. Okay, you need to make them so you have room to write in them. So draw these 3 shapes on your whiteboard. Go. I'm going to give you time to do that. When you're done, just park your marker and wait. Some of you draw faster than others of you. All right. My loves, today our learning target is you will write the fraction 1/2. And we're going to talk about what this means, but you will write the fraction 1/2. We're going to talk about that, okay? But first, what I would like you to do is help me draw a line of symmetry in this shape. What is this shape? This is a triangle. Where is the line of symmetry in this triangle? Where it cuts it in half so both sides are exactly the same. Can we draw it here? No, because that has a point. This has no point in the middle. It has 2 corners. Where's the line of symmetry for the triangle? Top to bottom, straight down the middle, right? So I want you to cut this triangle in half. Draw a line of symmetry, top to bottom. Now pretend this was a piece of cheese. I had one whole piece of cheese Sometimes people cut their cheese in triangles, like when you go to Subway. Pretend I had one whole piece of cheese. Now I drew a line of symmetry. Now I have two little pieces of cheese, so I can share it with somebody. And if I cut it right down the middle, we would say I cut it in half. So now I can share a half with you, and I can eat 1/2. 1/2 means one of the two pieces. This is how you write 1/2. I eat one of the two pieces. You eat one of the two pieces. So I want you to write 1/2 on the left side of this triangle. This is how you write 1/2. You write a 1, write a little 1. You need to make a line going across and a 2 underneath. Because 1/2 means you are eating one of the two pieces. This piece is yours. And this 1/2 is for me. Say 1/2. Say 1/2. Say 1/2 plus 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. This was one whole triangle, and we cut it in half. 1/2, 1/2. Now let's go to the circle. You drew the circle. Where's the line of symmetry for the circle to cut the circle in half? One whole circle. Let's pretend that's a pepperoni on a pizza. I love pepperoni. Let's cut it in half so we can share it. Where's the line of symmetry? Here? Nope. Straight down the middle? Yes. Or you can go side to side. Let's just go top to bottom for right now, okay? And we're going to share that. I still don't get both pieces. I'm going to share it with you, so we each get 1/2. How do we write 1/2? One of the two pieces. You get 1/2, one of the two pieces. I get 1/2, one of the two pieces. How do we write 1/2? Do it with me. Okay, so over here on the left, we're going to write a 1. What goes next? A line. And then a 2. Say one of the two pieces. One of the two pieces. Now, I get a half too, so I want you to write 1/2 on my half. So write 1. Then I need a line. And then we're going to write a 2. You get one of the two pieces. I get one of the two pieces. Park your pencil or your marker and say 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. Good. One more time. Say 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. That's what we did. We had one whole piece of pepperoni. We cut it in half. You get 1/2. I get 1/2. But when you put them together, it makes a whole pepperoni. All right. Let's draw a line of symmetry for that square. Now, we could go top to bottom again, but let's do it different. We did 2 top to bottoms. We could go side to side, or we could go, do you remember from yesterday? Corner to corner. So let's do corner to corner. We got to practice that. Okay. I want you to draw yours corner to corner. All right. Let's pretend this is a sandwich. So we're pretending this is a sandwich, a piece of bread with meat, cheese. Now we're cutting it in half, so we each get a triangle half of the sandwich. We need to write 1/2 on each half of that sandwich. How do I write 1/2? Okay, a 1. What goes next? A line. And then a 2. 1/2. One of the two pieces of the sandwich. Now, this one is mine down here. How am I going to write 1/2 on my half? What do I write first? 1, yep. And then a line. And then a 2. You got it. Say 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. One more time. My turn first, and then your turn. 1/2, 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. Makes a whole. My loves, we met our learning target. We wrote the fraction 1/2. You know how to do that now, and you know what that means. When you cut something in half with a line of symmetry, you know how to write 1/2, one of the two pieces. My loves, please erase your whiteboard very carefully. And what I would like you to do is turn to the next page in your packet, 55A. We are going to do this, and then we are done with math for today. It was fun, wasn't it? Learning how to write 1/2, that fraction. Being able to draw on your whiteboards. All right. Okay, I need to grab our date here. Please write your name very neatly at the top. Remember, I'm going to use green today because my black marker is dying because I've been using, oh boy, because I've been using that one all the time. All right, please stay. Oh my Lanta. All right, there, now it ain't coming off. I'm sorry about that, boys and girls. Jeepers creepers. All right, we need to write the date. So we're going to start with December, uppercase D. Write little and small and as neat as you can. Your fingers move slow and careful. D-E. You need to write lowercase e. Writing fast is not always a good thing. D-E-S. What two letters make that S sound? Sometimes. C-E. You got it. Decem. Letter M. December. B. December. What two letters say E and an R. Now, if yesterday was December 10th, today is December 11th. So we need to write an 11. And a cute little comma. And then our year, 2020. So write a 2, a 0, a 2, a 0. Right, today is Friday. My turn first. Friday. F-R-I. F-R-I. We need to write those letters. F. R. I. You know how to make I. Cute little I, not a lollipop. Then it goes D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Friday. Friday. So write your D. Write your A. Write your Y. Your Y needs to be little and your line should go underneath. That V part of your Y should sit right on that bottom line. I'll give you time to finish if I went too fast for you. All right, I see that this is a T number. I see a cup of tea. What number is that? 50. So trace the 5s and the 0s. Make sure your numbers all go top to bottom. I've noticed that some of you make your 5, you go over first. No, look at the arrow comes down. You go down, around, and then you go back to the top. Okay, and that makes sure your 5 looks more like a 5 and not so much like an S. All right, I've noticed some of you do this. That does not look so good. When you go like this, it ends up looking like an S. Go down, around. Give it a hat. You should have these two pointy parts. Okay? Neither of these have points. So make your 5s and your 0s go top to bottom. If you need to erase it, that's okay. That's good. All right. What you need to do now is draw a line between your 5 and your 0, this last one. Which number's in the tens place? 5, so we're going to write tens. So leave a space and write T. What letter says E. N. Letter N. Tens. Not a Z, but an S. You need to make sure you have this part. If you don't, I mark it wrong. And if you don't have the date and the day of the week, I mark it wrong. Then you have 3 wrong, which means your grade in my grade book is bad because we do this all together, so you should have it all right. Which number's in the ones place? The 0. So we need to write ones. O. N. E. We need plural, more than one. S. Ones. Sounds like Z, but it's the S. All right. Giving you time if I went too fast. Here's our story problem. It says 5 children were skating. 5 more children joined them. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many children are skating now. So it says 5 children were skating. How do you think they look when they're skating? Happy. So draw 5 happy children's faces. Quietly. Go. Make sure you have 5. Right, then it says 5 more children joined them. If 5 more kids came to skate, what do we need to do? Yeah, we need to draw a line and draw 5 more. We need 5 more came, so we have to draw 5 more smiley faces. Go. Draw 5 more. Make sure you made 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. We need to write our number sentence. How many children went skating first? How many did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to make a 5. Down first. Around. Give it a hat. None of those S5s. What sign do we need next? We need a plus because more children came. How many more children came to skate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5. What sign do I need? Sometimes you guys forget this. Equals. How many altogether? Do we need to count them or do you know? You should know. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. How do I write 10? A 1 and a 0. It says how many children are skating now? How many are there? 10. So we need to write 10 one more time. All right. Here we go. Almost done. It says Mrs. Murray divided this cracker in half. Draw a line to divide the cracker in half. A line of symmetry. Where should we draw the line of symmetry? In the middle. Let's do top to bottom. That makes it easier. All right, so make sure you have it in the middle. If you put it here, you need to erase it and fix it. So that's why I'm looking out in front of the camera, so I can make sure I get it in the middle. Make sure yours is in the middle with your pencil. Then it says she put peanut butter on one of the halves. Use a brown to show the peanut butter. If she put peanut butter on 1/2, how many pieces are we going to color brown? 1/2 means how many? One of the 2 pieces. So how many pieces are we putting peanut butter on? One piece. She put it on 1/2. So take your brown, color 1/2 brown. If you color the whole thing, it's wrong. It didn't say the whole cracker has peanut butter. 1/2 has peanut butter. Stay in the lines. Don't go on the other half. That half does not have peanut butter on it. When you're done, you need your pencil. It says when you're done with the peanut butter on 1/2 one of the 2 pieces, it says write the fraction 1/2 in the other half. How do we write 1/2? What goes first? Do you remember? Tell me. Talk to the computer. 1. And then what goes next? A line. And then a 2. One of the 2 pieces has peanut butter. One of the 2 pieces does not. All right, it says color the penny brown. If it says color the penny brown, how many pennies are there? 1. Always at the back. Stay in the lines. All right. I need to draw a line between my dimes and my penny. Where does that line go? Here? No. Here? No. Here? Yes. Draw a line with your pencil. I'm using green, remember, because my black is dime. How much money is a dime? 10 cents. You're going to write a 10 on top of each one. You have to do this. Please do it. How much money is a penny? 1 cent. Okay. I want you to park your pencil so that you can touch and count by 10s and 1s with me. Ready? Set, go. 10, 20, 30, switch, 31. Do it one more time with me. Ready? Set, go. 10, 20, 30, switch, 31. How do we write 31? You need to know. How do I write 31? 30 means 3. 1 means 1. And I can't forget my cent sign, 31 cents. All right, last thing. It says count by 2s, fill in the missing numbers. Oh, counting by 2s is the same as skip counting. All right, so count with me. Ready? We do this at math meeting every day, so this should be easy now. Ready? Go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Skip 7, write 8. All right, start at the beginning with me. Say it. Saying it helps your brain remember it. Ready? Because soon I'm not going to help you with this. You're going to have to do it by yourself. Ready? Set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8, skip 9, write 10. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, skip 11, write 12. Start over with me. Ready? Set, say it with me. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, skip 13 right, 14. What goes next? 10, 12, 14, skip 15 right, 16. Count with me, starting at 10, ready, go. 10, 12, 14, 16, skip 17 right, 18. Start again at 10 with me, ready, go. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, skip 19 right, 20. All right. My loves, what you need to do is upload, have your grown-up upload your fact test that you did by yourself. Parents, please leave the mistakes on there so you and I see what we need to help your child with. And page 55A. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye, my sweets.